Hello and welcome to new session, that is anti-leprotic drugs. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi from KKY Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Anti-leprotic drug. The drugs which are used in the treatment of leprosy are termed as anti-leprotic drugs. Leprosy is an infectious disease caused by Bacilli Mycobacterium leprae. Mycobacterium leprae multiplies very slowly. The incubation period for disease is about 5 years. Leprosy is not highly infectious. It is transmitted via droplets from the nose and mouth during close and frequent contact with those infected who are not on treatment of multi-drug therapy. Leprosy mainly affects the skin and peripheral nerves. Signs of leprosy. A leprosy patient is someone who has a skin patch or patches with a definite loss of sensation, who has not completed a full course of treatment with multi-drug therapy. Leprosy patches. This can be pale or reddish or copper colored. This can be flat or raised. Do not itch, usually don't hurt. Lack of sensation to heat, touch or pain, and it can appear to anyone and anywhere. How the human body is affected by leprosy. Mycobacterium leprosy is enter into body, then it attach to nerve, then leprosy infection is occurs. After that, the leprae get damage to the nerve cell, and then the patch becomes bigger, that forms larger bumps, is called lesions on the skin that do not heal and cannot be feel pain. Now classification. Sulfone. Examples are dapsone, solapsone and acidapsone. Second class is phenazine. Example clofazimine. Third class is thiosemicarbazone and the example is amithiazone. Fourth class is antitubercular drug and the example are rifampicin, ethionamide. Next class is antibiotic, for example ofloxacin, clarithromycin and minoxidil. Natural oils, Kaulomagra oil and Hadnocarpus oil. Drug for treatment of leprosy. Sulfones. Are the most widely used sulfone is dapsone. Sulfones were first used in the treatment of leprosy in 1941. It is 4,4-diamino diphenyl sulfone, which is also called dapsone. Dapsone, or it is also called DDS. Dapsone is a sulfone, that is 4,4-diamino diphenyl sulfone. The amino group of sulfomoyl group of sulfonamide is replaced by para-amino phenyl group. This is the structure of dapsone. Mechanism of action of dapsone. It acts by inhibiting the enzyme dihydroterate synthetase or folic acid synthetase during the bacterial synthesis of tetrahydrofolic acid. Chemical name is 4,4-sulfonyl dianiline or 4,4-diamino diphenyl sulfone or bis 4-aminophenyl sulfone. Physical property of dapsone. It is a white to creamy white crystalline powder, odorless, slightly bitter taste. Solubility, it is very slightly soluble in water, soluble in acetone and dilute mineral acids. Chemical properties. First, dapsone undergoes diazotization reaction. Dapsone, when treated with sodium nitrite in presence of HCl, both primary aromatic amino group are converted into diazo group. When dapsone is reacted with HCl, hydrochloric salt of dapsone is formed, and when it is treated with sodium nitrite, it gives diazotized compound. Second chemical property is when dapsone is condensed with cinnamaldehyde followed by addition of sodium bisulfite, it gives solapsone. This is cinnamaldehyde and this is dapsone. Two molecules of cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde is treated with dapsone to form solapsone. Next, stability and storage. Pure dapsone is stable, but in presence of traces of impurity and water, it is discolored. Hence, it is stored in tightly closed light-resistant container. Uses: it is used to treat both forms of leprosy. It has a suppressive action on malarial parasites. It is used in the treatment of dermatitis, herpetic formis, and relapsing polychondritis, and in combination with trimethoprim or pyrimethamine, it is used to treat pneumonia. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in dapsone tablet. Brand name is Dibronex. Second drug is solapsone. Property: it is white powder, it is very soluble in water, and it converted in the body to dapsone. Storage: it is stored in well-closed container, light-resistant container. Uses: it is used to treat leprosy. Third drug is thiambutosil. Physical property: it is white to creamy white crystalline powder, odorless, slightly bitter taste. It is very slightly soluble in water and soluble in acetone. Uses: it is mainly used to treat leprosy, particularly in the patient who cannot tolerate dapsone. Second use: it is proved useful in patients with severe neuritis. Pharmaceutical formulation: thiambutosil tablet, and brand name is Ciba 1906. Last drug is clofazimine, and it is also called Lamprine. It is classified as a secondary drug for treatment of leprosy and commonly used as component of multi-drug therapy. It is a phenazine derivative. Physical property: it is dark red crystals. It is water insoluble dye and soluble in dimethyl formamide and macrogol 400. Storage: it is stable compound and it is stored in well-closed light-resistant container. Uses: it is used to treat leprosy, especially for dapsone-resistant bacilli, and it is used to treat lepromatous leprosy for recent onset. Brand names clofazine and Lamprine. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.